Hey, what's up, you guys? This is your boy Marvin. Um, um, I decided to make a video of my sub. I haven't made a video like I wanted to about this sub. I finished it, a couple of weeks ago, maybe about, maybe about maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, I believe. I'm not sure. Um, I've been meaning to, but I just haven't got around to it. So I'm doing it now. This is my 15-inch sub. It's using a 15-inch Sundown audio cone. A Sundown audio dust cap. I painted it to have this little reflection in it. As you can see, a little reflection going on in there. It's using four 8-inch spiders. It's using a quad 3-inch voice coil. It's using single leads. My soldering skills is terrible, so I use these things right here. All you do is just wrap it around there. Take a lighter or a blow dryer or something, and it would just grab on, and it's holding on very tight. Using a MA audio motor. That's about it about the sub. I put it through a series of tests. I even put it to a torture test to see just how much it can take. And man, let me tell you, it can take a lot. I wish I had one of those little meter things to tell you exactly how many wattages it actually put out or whatever, like they do all those car audio shows. But I don't have one of those. I could probably get one. I know I could probably get one from somewhere. Maybe from Fix My Speaker, which is Team PSI's website. Well, let me stop talking and let me turn this bad boy up. But let me change the track first. demo track. Any day now. One thing I don't like about these monoblock amps, you can't hear shit. All you can hear is bass. That's all you can hear. It's the only thing I don't like about it, but other than that, it's alright. Well, there you go. Let me know what you think of this sub. I try to answer as many questions as I can. But this sub, I'm selling it for about maybe about $400, $450 maybe, and that's without a box. If you want it in the box, it probably cost you maybe about $150 more. But like I said, this sub is for sale. Say 15-inch sub, Sundown audio, cone and dust cap, Team PSI spiders, 4 Team PSI spiders, 8-inch, and using a quad voice coil, 3-inch, single leads, MA audio motor, and the only thing this thing doesn't have is gasket. I might get one for it, and I might not. I might just leave it like it is, like fuck it. But let me know what you think of this video. Bye.